take fucking 3. How much really they should put the buttons on the other sides of these fucking phones so you don't hit them with your fingers when you're trying to do shit. So here we go. I did take 1, still shut up, did take 2, hit a button, and just, you know, that's what my day goes. But so I have to drill out hardened steel bolts. I have a new Y-pipe exhaust for this car, but I can't put it on if I can't put the fucking bolts in now, can I? So tried a cordless drill, not enough torque. Borrowed this from my stepdad. Thank you, Gary. It's a power drill with a freaking $13 fucking drill bit, but it better do something. I'll be pissed off, but I'm gonna try to put the phone down and not hit a button. Who knows if just fucking working out? Probably not. I'll probably hit some fucking button and fuck everything up, but that's the story of my life. Here we go. So I'm gonna turn around. I'm not gonna touch the side of the phone because it's fucking sensitive. And you're gonna see, yeah. Wait. I don't give a shit if you can see or not. You can hear, right? So there you go. That looks in the other direction. We'll see. Let's see what we got here. Oh, fucking. Okay, here we go. Motherfucker, how do you tighten this goddamn thing? I know when I was little I used to know how to do this shit, but nowadays it's all, no one cares. Alright, let's try again. Here we go. Oh, we're that's going, oh, that's where, yeah. 40, lubrication. Always gotta have a lube to get it in. Lube again. Here we go. Good God. This hell. Only gotta do it 3 more times. Awesome. Oh shit. That's bad, yeah. Forward. Oh shit. That hurt. That hurt bad. Ah, damn. Okay. Oh, no. Motherfucker. Alright, so apparently this is gonna take a minute, but it does give me hope because that's the first I've got fucking in 5 seconds. I've tried for the last fucking 4 weeks, so I'll let you know when it's done. Bye.